Please, dear God, buy a camper. Please, dear God, buy it from me. My name is the RV Hunter. Come on in and let's see. It's the 42FK 2021 Salem Grand Villa. Hey there, hi there, ho there. We're gonna have a great time. There's a table. We all like to sit, we all like to eat, we all like to do stuff on there like cards. You can keep drinks in there. And there's a sink. Water spits out the hose and you can wash your hands and do all sorts of other goofy stuff. But there's where you're going to spend most of your time. The TV. Slick. You got recliners and pull-out couches. I don't know what else you could possibly want in a camper. I mean, this thing is freaking crazy. You park it somewhere beautiful, hopefully. Not some gravel rot in a bad area. You got a bathroom and a big old shower where someone could shower that's a lot bigger than the average person like I am. Fancy countertops. Everyone needs those. Give you some magic fingers on into the bedroom. Look at that dresser. You can hide just about anything in those drawers, including clothes. You got a place to sleep in that closet. Check out that bad boy. Now the bed blocks the door from it fully opening, so I hope you don't have anything large you put in there. But let's head to the part that we're all waiting for. It's the loft. There is a reason why this camper sleeps 48, and this is it. Now check this out. Kids will not stick their heads through those and scream the entire time while you're trying to have fun watching a movie. I promise you, I'm a sales guy. And they will not hide in the corner and avoid you, so you have to crawl up in these tight spaces. It's a nice feature to have. Well, I greatly appreciate everyone watching. I'm going to show you another view here of the living room. And then I'm going to take you outside for a nice slow walk so I can get the 3 minutes of recording time for the YouTube algorithms. I hope you guys subscribe and have a good one.